Are you looking for the best hair wavers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best hair wavers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Hot Tools Pro Artist 24K Gold 3-Barrel Waver. The Hot Tools Pro Artist 24K Gold 3-Barrel Hair Waver earned perfect scores in every category: build and durability, usability, and performance. From start to finish, and beyond, my experience with this hair waver was overwhelmingly positive. For starters, the hair waver has a digital screen that allows you to see the exact temperature setting, so you can choose the right setting for your hair type between 200 degrees Fahrenheit and 450 degrees Fahrenheit and see when the iron reaches the temperature and is ready to use. The instructions provide clear guidance on the most suitable temperature settings for different hair types. I chose to wave my medium textured hair that falls about 2 inches past my shoulders on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, a temp that was at the lower end of the recommended range for this hair type. Like the vast majority of hair wavers on the market, the tool is bulky and tricky to maneuver on my non-dominant side, but the button placement, the side on this particular model, makes things as intuitive as possible. It even has a lock, a dial you simply press down, so that you don't accidentally adjust the settings while you're using it. When it comes to results, arguably the most important aspect of a quality hair waver, this one outperforms the rest. A single clamp of a 3 to 4 inch section of hair held for less than 5 seconds delivered instant S-shaped waves that held steady all day long, even after a lengthy and brisk walk around the neighborhood, no hairspray needed. I repeated that action 2 to 3 times down each section of hair and all over my head, which took about 15 minutes. If there's any downside, it's that this hair waver doesn't have a traditional kickstand, which means it sits relatively low to the counter when not in use, a potential concern if you have a vanity made of wood or another heat-sensitive material. Number 2. Bedhead Tigi Wave Affair. If you want to try the beach waves trend on a budget, the Bedhead Tigi Wave Affair 3-Barrel Digital Jumbo Hair Waver is one of the best hair wavers out there that will have your strands looking like a mermaid's in no time. Despite being less than half the price of our best overall pick, this hair waver scored impressively in the vast majority of tests. Like the more expensive pick, it has an easy-to-read digital screen that allows you to adjust the temperature to suit your needs up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. What it doesn't have, a guide to help you settle on the right number for your hair type. This was the first hair waver I tested, so I chose 410 degrees Fahrenheit because I find that higher temperatures usually provide the sleekest look for my hair. This waver also takes longer than a few of the other picks on the list, particularly the best overall pick, to heat up, but once it reaches temperature, it delivers effortless beach waves in a flash. The resulting look is very attractive and holds up well, but I needed to use a bit of a softer hand, as the clamp creased hair more than I would have liked when I let the clamp fully close down on my strands. This could be attributed to the fact that this hair waver feels heavier all around. This model has some nice safety features our overall winner lacked, most notably a kickstand and the inclusion of a heat protective glove for your fingers if you desire. Number 3. BondiBoost Wave Wand Hair Curling Iron Wand. Though the BondiBoost Waver Wand is usually rated among the best hair wavers on the market, it earned a spot in the middle of the pack because of its equal pros and drawbacks. I won't deny that it's a highly effective hair waver that delivered the smoothest waves of any of the tools that lasted me through the rigors of my standard day, including light exercise. Its barrels are also very large, which allowed me to capture more hair at a time, decreasing styling time. The problem: the barrels make the styling tool much heavier and more difficult to maneuver than other models I tested. Like our winning hair wavers, the BondiBoost has intuitive buttons and a digital screen that's legible. The problem: the temperature is displayed in Celsius. After reading the instructions, there doesn't appear to be any way to convert it to Fahrenheit, which can lead to some confusion, especially for those who are users of hair wavers in the United States and are more attuned to the customary measurement system. If you can get past those minor negatives, you'll appreciate the overall performance and some of the added features, like the fact that you can lock the tool to a certain temperature and you can count on it putting itself to sleep after 1 hour, a great safety feature. For me, the amazing results this gave my hair weren't worth the styling struggles that weren't present with other hair wavers that also provided great results. Number 4. Alure 3-Barrel Curling Iron Wand Hair Waver. The Alure 3-barrel curling iron wand is very comparable to the INH hair waver that's more than double the price. It's long and slender, making it feel lightweight. Plus, it has a pink and black color scheme that's easy on the eyes. This hair waver also has a digital screen that's easy to read, even though it is on the smaller side. The buttons are very intuitive, too, albeit in a position that makes them a little too easy to hit while styling your hair. When it comes to overall performance, this waver lacks because it's slow to heat up. And even when it got to my chosen temperature of 410 degrees Fahrenheit, which I chose based on personal preference in the absence of guidance, it didn't create waves as defined as those I got when using our best value pick at the same temperature. As a result, I noticed the S-shaped waves fell flatter by the end of the day. Digital display. Slim and lightweight design. Number 5. Conair Double Ceramic 3-Barrel Curling Iron Hair Waver. The Conair Double Ceramic Triple Barrel Curl Styling Waver is among one of the best budget-friendly hair wavers we tested, but the value wasn't quite there. It's a decent hair waver, as it ultimately delivers an attractive style without much effort, but it's lacking in some of the more user-friendly elements. For starters, it's one of the only hair wavers without a digital display. Instead, it has 3 switches: high, low, and on/off. This means it's impossible to choose the most suitable temperature for your hair, and it's difficult to know when the waver is fully heated and ready to use. Beyond that, the hair waver doesn't feel nearly as durable as some of the other options we tested. The buttons are also in an area that's easy to accidentally toggle while styling your hair. Overall, it's worth spending more to get better functionality.